Ouch! That must have hurt. Now, considering this is a one-way system, how did that car get in that position? I wonder. An even better question would be, how's it going to get back out? Or what I mean is, how much of a mess is it going to make trying to get back out?
See him on his phone.
You seen that?
I did.
Naughty boy.
I thought the jump was brilliant. I was just really looking forward to it.
Alexi, tell her that's not a parking space.
That's not a parking space.
Call her knobhead.
Not bad. No. Get off the phone.
Ew.
That AMR, is it?
Move over, man. Move over, woman, sorry. No man would do that, would they? No man would do that, would they? No, they wouldn't.
Only just ladies.
Yeah, only just ladies, that's right.
Move over.
Move over, ladies. Did you hear her? Please don't try and do that. Please don't try and do it. What a knobhead. What a knobhead. Ooh, butters! Oh. You gonna go? You gonna go? You gonna go? No. Okie dokie. Okie dokie. If you watch my videos for any length of time, you might have noticed I never let anyone go and I always moan about them pulling out in front of me. The thing is, when I do stop to let someone go, they're either not looking or they just sit there and do nothing anyway. So I give up letting people go. It's not me being nasty, I'm not savage, I'm not like completely vicious. It's just when I let people go, they don't actually do it. So I've give up now, I don't bother. Oh, thank you. Thank you, lovely person. Oh, it's not often you get nice people in Bristol. It is not often. Legend of the day goes to that man or woman, that person. Legend of the day goes to that person. Considering this is a one-way system, I'm now wondering why and how that car got there. He's on the phone. Okay, never mind. Makes sense, doesn't it?
Oh, we're just going to find a space.
There's a bus stop. Oh, there's two of them. Oh, hazard lights. That's alright. Never mind. Never mind. Hazard lights make everything acceptable, as we know.
20% off menswear in store or at matilda.co.uk.
Oh, look. Look. She's fucking flapping at the taxi driver. I love people like that. They pull out in front of you and then they go mental and start swearing and flapping their hands at you as if you're the one like who's done something stupid. I love people like that. You silly bitch. A bit like when that woman with her Agilia pulled out in front of me and I thought you stopped. I thought you was going to let me go. I assumed. No, don't do that. Don't ever assume people are going to stop for you. No. Wait until people stop for you. Then you can go. Just pull out like a nutter. Unless, of course, you are, in fact, a nutter. In which case, just carry on, you know. You do you and all that. Just carry on pulling out in front of people. It's all good. It's all good. And then just flap at them when they start getting angry with you. Oh, that is so close. I wonder what happens when they try and get out, because I love watching people park so close to other cars and then attempting to get out of their car. It fascinates me. It really does. When they got a massive gap on the passenger side. Not going to work, is it, my darling? and comes back in exactly the same as she went out. Some people are funny, aren't they? Are we going for a round 3? Are we going to attempt number 3? Nope, she's just going to squeeze it. She's not going to get it out. She is. She is. Fair play. Although good luck to the person next to her when they come back and collect their car. They're going to have fun getting in, especially if they're of limited mobility. You got to love how considerate people in Bristol are. Really, really considerate. What a prick!
Oh, yeah.
What a prick!
He's not going to let you in either, is he? No.
Most drivers continue to believe that the earlier they get out of a blocked lane, the better. This is not the case in moderate to heavy traffic, as it begins to create a backlog and possibly bad feelings, as early mergers believe other drivers are bypassing the line and cutting in right before the lane ends. This is not the most effective or safest way to merge in heavier traffic volumes. The zipper merge is the best way to merge in heavier traffic volumes. The zipper merge is when drivers use both lanes fully until they reach the end of the lane, then alternate into the open lane. This maximizes road space and can reduce congestion by as much as 40%. Best of all, everyone gets to where they're going faster. And who doesn't want that? And possibly bad feelings.
He gave you evil. Oh!
What a fucking
twat.
what a fucking bender! Why? Why?
Because basically he wouldn't let you in, yeah? Back there. So you had a choice what to go in front of them, yeah?
And possibly bad feelings.
Fucking idiot.
So he did it back to you. Bloody hell.
Possibly bad feelings.
Oh, here we go.
I'm gonna have to put some family-friendly words on the screen because I can't swear. Water.
Prick.
Yeah. Water.
Prick.
Oh no! Horribly wrong. How though?
I don't know.
I don't like get it.
That's twice today. Happened earlier as well.
Well, that's one way to do it, isn't it?
I was gonna say that's why we just skip the queue, innit?
What's the curb? Well, passing them.
Cheeky little fucker! Cheeky little fucker!
Well, she said thank you.
Did she?
Yeah.
Good they come.
Why did no one ever get in the box?
Nah, don't know. To allow everyone else to cut the corner by the looks of it. Yeah.
That is what the box is there for.
Yeah.
That's funny.
That was funny, wasn't it? Somebody didn't know how to drive.
Good.
Somebody else trying to drive, are they? Because that's not driving, is it? That is What is that, Alexi?
I don't know.
I ain't got a clue.
Why? The toilet flush.
It's definitely not driving.
Definitely what driving.
Is it, little baby? That's not driving.
Yeah, the stop like
I don't think he knows what he's doing, does he?
No.
Ooh, what kind of bus is that? I've never seen one of those before. That's a garden maintenance bus. Not bad. Not bad. Alexi, clap.
Hang on.
Thank you. So you can stop now. Look at his mirror.
I know. It's like a little bike mirror, isn't it?
Alexi, prepare your hands. Get ready to clap. Ready? Clap. No, that's not your hands, that's your leg.
Yeah, I know, but I got my other hand full. There we go.
Most drivers continue to believe that the earlier they get out of a blocked lane, the better.
Drive your car, man. You got empty lane.
Use both lanes fully until they reach the end of the lane.
Drive your car, man.
Go, Cos, let's go.
Oh, he's one of them that just blocks the lane because it doesn't want to use the whole thing. Oh, no,
Yeah, but everybody else now is pulling out of that lane and going up.
Possibly bad feelings.
I don't understand, because you've got an empty lane. Some people go, oh no, you shouldn't queue jump, but it's not queue jumping. They give you 2 lanes for a reason and then you merge at the end, yeah? This is how you do it properly. This is what you're supposed to do. So you got like an empty lane and then you got 1 lane of traffic. That makes sense, does it? If they want to wait in there, that's up to them. That's their life they're wasting. Leave a like if you think the Nissan Cube is sexy. I love them things. Everyone hates them. Same as the Nissan Juke. I think they're really pretty, but everyone hates them. I don't know why. I think they're gorgeous.
Prick.